Hey everyone, Matt here. Thanks for checking out this review of the Dyson V7 Trigger. Cordless vacuum handheld. You can see the attachments that comes with it here. I absolutely love this thing. I've probably had it, if I had to guess, I'd say maybe around 4 or 5 years. But what's really nice, has this piece here. Again, if you just hit the buttons, they come right off. This one is kind of like a brush. This can be used here on rugs, flooring, carpet, things like that. And then this other one here, it's kind of similar. You can use it to vacuum it up, or if you want to push that forward and make it a full brush, you can use that as well. I typically use these two the most, and it's just nice to have like handy around the house, especially when you have a 4-year-old that makes a constant mess. It's just nice and easy to pick this thing up and go vacuum up some of the stuff that he spilled. But there's 2 settings on this thing. There's the normal and then the high suction. And you'll be able to tell a big difference when I hit the trigger here. Here's regular. Here's the high suction. So you can definitely hear the difference. When it's on normal, I'd say full charge, you probably get around, I'd say for me, it's like 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Even though the high suction is really good, I will say if you have it on the high suction, you're maybe looking at 5 to 7 minutes before it gets fully drained. But it's really nice, guys. Like, come in here, I don't know if you can see some of this stuff. And then I'll show you how to empty it out real quick. Now to empty it out, all you have to do, this red handle here, is just pull up and the whole cartridge pops up and the bottom opens, everything dumps out. Push that back down, close it back up, you're good to go. Overall, highly recommend the Dyson handheld vacuum. Again, I will never not go without one of these. They just come in handy so much. Easy to get access to, easy to use because they're smaller. You don't have to plug them in. Especially if you have kids, I feel like these are almost a must.